Hi, it's Chris, and yesterday we started on the renovation or reconstruction of this silver quartzite pathway patio area, and the primary problem was that the contractor installed a lot of these small pieces that made it hard to walk on. So we began with removing the center pieces and putting in larger pieces of Standup Select flagstone. So we've come down through here. The other problem was that the contractor used this 3/4 by 1/2 inch rock or kind of quasi road base as the material to fill in between the flagstones, making it incredibly difficult to walk on in the evening or any time, but especially when you don't see all the pebbles. So we're kind of removing that seam or that faux grout and replacing it with 1/4 inch rock dust or DG, which is what should have been done. You can see here's a nice piece of Standup Select Idaho quartzite. There are bigger pieces, but you also have to get the pieces you can handle. This is about 225 pounds more or less. It's a heavy piece of stone, but it's replacing all of these smaller ones. This waste material, as it is, can be used to make a nice little wall to hold back some of the material that's spilling into the patio here. So we've got just a little bit more of this base material to scoop up. Anytime you do this, you want to have as heavy duty a wheelbarrow as possible. I prefer the metal or wood handled steel bodied ones at Lowe's. So we've scooped out this material, and from here it takes a little bit of time to put down the 1/4 inch minus DG and shimmy the stone back and forth. You need sand or rock dust to do this with, because you need the stone to move a little bit, and also as it's moving, this material fills in the uneven spots. Not that anything got even about that, it's like a piece of glass, but there is a lot of uneven space here where I've dug it out. Now it'll take some time to get it all evened out. So the first step being to lay this monster down. So we can see we need to come up over here and raise it a little bit over there, and we'll come back to that in a few minutes.